Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are doing well, and in this video we are going to talk about Coca-Cola. Now you might be confused because why I'm talking about Coca-Cola in a tech channel? Because I have just received a very special edition phone from Realme, which is made in collaboration with Coca-Cola. So now let me show you. So this is the Realme 10 Pro 5G Coca-Cola edition, which is made in collaboration with Coca-Cola. And before starting the video, I just want to say one thing, that thank you so much to the team of Realme and Realme India for sending over this beautiful piece of art to me. I'm so thankful and I just can't wait to unbox it. So now let's unbox it and let's see what this special edition phone brings to us. Let's see.
Okay, so here is the box and it looks beautiful. So here we have the brand name Realme and it's the special edition Coca-Cola phone, which is Realme 10 Pro 5G Coca-Cola edition. And over this side we have the Realme and Coca-Cola logo, and the full box is made with Coca-Cola theme. Now let's open up the box and damn, it just looks like the classic Coca-Cola bottle. I'm too much excited for the device and I can't wait more. So let's open up the device and let's unwrap it. So as you guys can see, it looks really good and surprisingly it feels really good on the hand too. Let's turn it on and let's keep it aside. And let's see what we have in this box while it's turning on. Okay, so we have so many stickers in it, like the Realme, Dare to Live, the Real Meow, and the Coca-Cola, the classic Coke, and so many things. Like, I really love the stickers and I'm gonna stick it everywhere. And with that, we have a quick guide and a safety guide. And this is something very special. So this is a special edition phone and that's why it has a card with it, which describes the whole collaboration between the Realme and Coca-Cola. And as it is a special edition phone, it has a number. Okay, the SIM ejector tool looks like the classic cap of a Coca-Cola, and this is especially a really nice touch. Let's dig deep in the box and let's see what else we have. So here we have a silicone TPU case for the device. Thanks for providing this in the box. And with that, we have a 33-watt super hook charging. And last but not the least, the packaging. I just can't get over it. The packaging is so good on every aspect and every corner, on every inch. The packaging is top notch. They have used the classic Coca-Cola theme everywhere on the box and it looks superb. Okay, so here is the device and it looks stunning. The squarish design with the iconic Coca-Cola theme and the design, it just looks dope. And everything of this device is custom made for this collaboration, like the lock screen wallpaper, the wallpaper, the home screen wallpaper, the icons, every icon is themed. And as this display is 120Hz, so it feels really nice while using it on the hands. Also, while using it on the hands, it feels really great to see. Like as you guys can see, the bezels are so minimal. And I have to admit, this is the best collaboration phone I have ever seen. Starting with the design, the Realme 10 Pro Coca-Cola edition looks stunning with its red and white color combination, which resembles the iconic Coca-Cola logo. The phone has a glossy finish, which gives it a premium feel. The build quality is excellent and it feels sturdy in hand. The phone has a dual camera setup at the back, which is vertically aligned, a punch hole display in the front, and it also has a fingerprint sensor at the power button. Overall, the Realme 10 Pro Coca-Cola edition is a great phone with an attractive design. good performance and a decent camera. The limited edition Coca-Cola branding adds to its appeal, and it's a great choice for anyone who wants a phone that stands out from the crowd. So that's it for today's video, and if you guys have any question or suggestion, let me know in the comment section down below. See you guys in the next one. Till then, tada.